In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to hide your friends list on Facebook. Hiding your friends list helps protect your privacy and prevent strangers or potential scammers from using your network for phishing, impersonation, or social engineering attacks. Open the Facebook app and tap the menu icon. Tap the Settings gear icon in the upper right corner. Scroll to the Tools and Resources section and tap Privacy Checkup. Select Who can see what you share and tap Continue. Under the Friends and Following section, find the option Who can see your friends list on your profile. Tap it and choose Only Me. Your changes will be saved automatically. Now, no one else will be able to view your friends list on Facebook.